Hey guys, welcome back. We are in Pennsylvania. Woke up in Pennsylvania with a little bit of snow, which is nice. We just got ready. I still need to pack up my bag. Let me see if I can get this up here. But yeah, so we are touring a new manufacturing facility, and after that I think we're going to Gettysburg and then on to New York. So I'm going to finish packing up and then head out. I don't know if I want to wear a hat or not. I think we're going with it. I woke up with a headache and my nose is just, I have sinus problems and I don't know. I think it's the change in the weather. We went from Tennessee that was pretty warm, honestly, to Pennsylvania with snow on the ground. And yeah, I think it just kind of did something to me a bit. How you doing?
On our favorite rocket ship.
You tired?
No, I'm good.
It is bright. Where were we supposed to go?
Oh, Michigan. Yeah, we're supposed to be on vacation right now, but we're working.
Yeah, we're working. We were supposed to go to the UP for a sled dog race, and it got canceled because they didn't have enough snow. So it's nice to see snow on the ground. I think I added it, invited you to it on the calendar, but if not, I'll just go ahead and send it to you, send you the address. We officially made it. Now we are going to go in and tour the place.
We're about to hit a car.
Oh my gosh. We ended up taking the tour. Sorry we couldn't take you guys inside.
I got a little bit of video.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Nice one. Well, we didn't get to get a lot of footage, unfortunately.
We need to talk on the parallel parking right there. The most manliest thing I've ever done in my life.
Nice one. But we are going to, we just parked to go to Starbucks. But yeah, I'm glad that we stopped by there. I'm glad that we did the tour. I don't know if they are going to be able to do as much as we were hoping, but there might be something there. I don't know. I think for now, maybe just at least try a sample. We'll see. But yeah, I don't know if it was a win, in all honesty. But it was fun to at least go in and, you know, see the place and meet new people and all the things. So I'm hungry. I think Daniel's hungry. We're going to go get some drinks and a bagel and head to Gettysburg.
Yeah.
And I can't remember if I saw them do that or not. Where are we going? It is freezing.
Am I gonna be your most famous side character?
Look at the ice. Oh, Starbies.
Just came in from the Arctic.
I got a caramel apple spice, and these things are freaking amazing. It's like an apple pie.
Classroom. Here's a new idea. You start a college, but you don't really need real estate. And you just rent out like cheap commercial properties as your classrooms, but you still get like.
You know, those are grapes and olives.
Can't call it.
Can't call it. Does he say can't call it or couldn't call it? I can never remember. Can't. That video is so funny to me.
Tell us what we're doing.
This is my fish tank live back at home. I got a security camera set up so I can look at, because these fish be expensive. And don't mind that green. That's good algae growing.
What are they doing?
Oh, Monday and Tuesday because their dog's name is already Wednesday. But Tuesday just chills up in that corner all day. And they're supposed to school each other. So Monday right there should be he's the bigger one. Oh, there goes Tuesday down the way. Kind of tell them your thoughts on that.
The place that we just went to. I don't know if I see us working with them. Or maybe, I mean, I don't want to just like close that door. I think that there could be something there, if not now, maybe in the future.
Yes.
But I found out that they don't do as much as I thought that they did. So that was kind of disappointing, honestly. I thought that they were going to be able to handle a lot more than they can. And yeah, so that kind of took us back. On the phone, talking to the lady before we even made it up here, through email, and then also on the phone. She kind of made it seem like they did a little bit more. And we already have two amazing production teams that we work with. This was just a bonus, so that's where it's like, it's not a huge bummer, but I was hoping that we would be able to add another one under our belt, but that's okay. But yeah, I don't, it doesn't really make sense, in all honesty. We are back on the road right now. We are getting gas. We decided to skip Gettysburg. We left Starbucks and we walked around a little bit, and then we just decided to get back on the road. So now we are headed to New York. I don't know if we're going to do anything when we get there. Probably not, honestly. I think saying that we're going to get there at 5:06. It's 3:34 now. I think we both have work that we need to do, honestly, so I think we'll probably just stay put tonight. Maybe venture out tomorrow, but we'll see. stuff, we only been here like 30 minutes and we came straight in and threw our stuff down. This is the bathroom. Really nice. And we are pretty much in like the armpit. I'm actually going to do this over here because that's really loud. This is the view. Basically like a little armpit in between the buildings. Tell them what happened with the sink right when we walked in.
All the way up immediately because we're probably in a building that's over, probably over 175 years old with like, you know, old pipes.
Yeah. I really like the ceilings. I like this. It's really pretty. Not a fan of the wallpaper though. Like, it's very different. It's very eccentric. And I don't hate it, but I don't know. I feel like there's a lot going on. There's not people in. Okay, this is one thing that we both have like learned on this trip. New York drivers, honestly, not terrible. They're not too bad. Like Daniel said it, like everyone's moving. They're just moving. But I have to say, people, I'm not gonna say all people, but a good chunk of the people in Pennsylvania were so rude.
Over
like
10 different drivers aggressively cutting people off.
Yeah, just cutting people off. We had the light, like we were good to go. Twice, 2 people almost hit us, like on purpose. On purpose, and then just sped off.
Over 10 miles an hour to speed limit.
Yeah, no, I'm talking like when we were walking. Like when we were walking, 2 people tried to hit us.
Oh yeah, we did have a car drive right.
Yeah, like right, like this close to Daniel's leg, because they didn't want to stop, and we were going again. We were on a crosswalk. We had the light. We were good to go, and they just did not want to stop. Twice. That just blows my mind. There's, you know, good people, bad people, and, you know, nice people in Pennsylvania, but whew, that was not a good first experience at all, or first impression. But yeah, so far, people in New York are surprisingly nicer than people in Pennsylvania, which is just crazy to me.
At least people keep moving. When we drive in our hometown in Knoxville, it's like people get stressed by 3 cars and they stop. Or here they just...
Yeah. Daniel just said that we are going out to dinner, which I was not expecting. I thought that we were just gonna kind of stay put, but so I'll actually get to probably put the little lobby clip here in this video instead of the one tomorrow. But yeah, he said it's the city that never sleeps. Of course, didn't even think about that. So we're gonna go to dinner, and I guess explore the city a little bit tonight, so that'll be fun. Stopped at Target because I have headache, so medicine, but also 20% off Valentine's Day clothing. It's a win-win. A win-win. It was in Grand Rapids. At what is that place called? Oh my gosh. I can't think of the name of it. This looks amazing, and these are so good. We just finished having dinner, but it was so good. It was amazing. Now we are headed back to the hotel. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's really loud, but we're headed back to the hotel. I got cut off. We just made it back to the hotel, so this is going to be it for the night, but we will talk to you guys tomorrow.